President most sincerely for giving me a chance to serve. I thank him profusely for allowing me to serve the people of Zambia in this ministry. As you know, this is a people-centric ministry. You will meet the good, the bad, the ugly here. This is where you will meet them. And so, Mr. President, I'm very thankful for giving me this opportunity to serve. As I leave, I want you to know that I go with a clean heart, with no hard feelings, because the office, this office belongs to the President. He's the one who appoints and he's the one who disappoints. I want to say I've accepted this with no hard feelings whatsoever. And to state that despite the disappointment, I'm a committed member of the and nothing changes. We built this party to where it is, and to the party, I also want to thank them for supporting while I was in this ministry. Maybe finally, is to say, if in the line of my duty I offended, in the public, in the private, I can only ask those who I offended to forgive me, to find it in the house. And at this juncture, this is the official statement that I'm making, that I'm a committed member of UPAP, unshaken member of UPAP, subscribing to all the values and principles of UPAP, and for those that may be broken, start mending now. I'm not dead, I'm alive. Once again, Mr. President, I take my hat off you for giving me this opportunity to serve the people of Zambia. I go with a clean heart, just as I can. Thank you very much. Well, so maybe at this juncture, let me take him to the office so that I can hand over.
My dear brother, thank you so much for welcoming me. Indeed, you have come a long way. Not only in government, but also in reviewing the country. In terms of struggle, what you did for the country can't be subjected in any way. By the government, you welcome me to take over from you, not as an enemy. We are from one party. I can't have my personal agenda, but the agenda of the party. That's what drives this office. I am not going to harass anyone. The people that you work with, I work with them. I'm not here to harass anyone or to change anything, but to fulfill what the people want and what the president desires. There's nothing wrong. We are together. Wherever I find some challenges, I will remain open to you as your young brother, so that I really know from the knowledge that you have acquired for the 3 years of in this office. I value your welcome, very, very well respectful welcome. I'm very grateful. Indeed, my brother. To the President, I say thank you so much for the opportunity given to serve the people of Zambia. I will serve diligently to fulfill the agenda of the UPA for the betterment of society and the country. Thank you so much.
Okay, so